Hello everybody, this is Jeff at eTrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this Taskmaster Provider ST205 75R15 Radial trailer tire in a load range D, and it's mounted on this 15-inch Vesper silver modular steel trailer wheel with the 5 on 4.5-inch bolt pattern. Now this tire and wheel assembly, it is ideal for stock trailers, utility trailers, and even campers. What's unique on this assembly is the tire is match mounted and balanced to the wheel for ride comfort and durability. Match mounting of tires and wheels, that's a process in which the tire's installation position onto the wheel is specifically selected to minimize final force of imbalance. The method to match mounting is to align the tire's lightest spot with the wheel's heaviest spot, and that's to eliminate most of the radial force that can cause tire and suspension wear. And then they do the final balancing by applying weights to specific spots to the front and the back of the wheel to eliminate any chance of uneven wear or vibration. And just to show you on this one, they put the weights right here in the front and over here in the back, so that makes this assembly all balanced. The wheel on this, it is a steel wheel, has the modular design. When we say modular design, that's the one that has the round holes all the way around the wheel. It is sturdy, corrosion resistant. Does use a silver acrylic enamel finish to resist chipping and other damage better than your powder coat finishes. And the finish is applied after a zinc phosphate pretreatment and covers an E-coat primer layer. Does give you excellent corrosion resistance, has a salt spray rating of more than 1,000 hours. Few specs on this, starting with the wheel, the diameter 15 inches. Width on just the wheel 6 inches. Bolt pattern is a 5 on 4.5, and if you want to measure that, on a wheel like this, it's an odd number of lugs, 5 lugs. Basically, you just pick one of the holes, this one, let's say, and then you're going to measure across to either one of these holes. But when you measure, it's from the center of the starting hole to the furthest edge of whatever hole you measure to. So on this one, it'll measure 4.5 inches. So it's a 5-lug, 4.5-inch bolt pattern. It does use the wheel lug size of a 1/2 inch by 20, and the weight capacity on just the wheel is 2,830 pounds. If you notice, this wheel does not come with a center cap. We do sell those separately if you want one. You do want to make sure to get a center cap that'll have a diameter of 3.19 inches, which is the diameter of the pilot hole right here, because your center cap will go through this hole to install it. The tire is a radial tire. It is constructed with double steel belts, double polyester cords for a nice long life. It's great for highway use, and they also use a nylon tread firming belt overlay around the tire to help prevent tread separation. This is an ST tire, which stands for Special Trailer Tire. Uses sturdy sidewalls so that it can handle heavy loads. It is created specifically for trailers. It's not intended for use on any other vehicles. The tire size, which will be stamped on the sidewall, ST for Special Trailer 205 75R15. R means it's a radial. Section width on this is 8 inches. Overall diameter from the bottom to the top when it's inflated, it's 27.2 inches. And this is a load range D, which means it's an 8-ply rated tire. So the maximum load capacity on this is 2,150 pounds at 65 PSI. Now the trailer tires are now coming through with speed rating on them. Speed rating is designated by a letter designation, and they stamp it on the sidewall of the tire. So just to let you know where it's at, right after the size we just went over, 2 numbers you'll see for a load index, and then you'll see a letter M. Speed rating M will mean 81 miles per hour. This does come with a 2-year Platinum Plus warranty, which includes emergency tire change service and other benefits. And this assembly does meet the DOT, Department of Transportation specifications, and it will exceed federal motor vehicle safety standards. But that's going to do it for the review on this Taskmaster Provider ST205 75R15 Radial trailer tire in a load range D, mounted on this 15-inch Vesper silver modular steel trailer wheel with the 5 on 4.5-inch bolt pattern.